Federation of Haumi has aired strong objection against any attempt to integrate KOM community to KUKI community. In a press note, Publicity and Media Cell of Haumi, Robert KOM, asserted the KOM tribe is an indigenous tribe in Manipur. However, KUKI community has been making continuous efforts to bring KOM under its group, so much so that KUKI has started claiming the traditional dress of KOM to be their own. This year in Mera Hauchumba Festival, KOM community presented its cultural dance adorned with its traditional dress. But unfortunately, PS Lupho from KUKI community has claimed the traditional dress as their own. While alleging KUKI community of distorting history, Robert KOM maintained that the traditional dress of KOM community is mentioned in Nongsaba Kungairon Puya. KOM community people have worshipped local deities of Manipur such as Ibutau Lai Nongsaba, Wangbrel, Pakangba from so many years, even before the arrival of KUKI in 18th century. Robert KOM further urged PS Lupho to abstain from weaving lies, just like Myanmar origin PS Haukip did when he claimed that Meitei King Taungtingmang was KUKI.